The world of 2026 is unrecognizable from a decade ago. Cities pulse with new energy, and the centers of influence have shifted dramatically. The skyline of progress now stretches far beyond the borders of the United States, reflecting a planet in flux. America's unchallenged dominance has faded, replaced by a multipolar order. New power centers have emerged, and the global balance is no longer dictated by a single nation. Elon Musk, once the face of American innovation, now embodies this global shift, redirecting his focus and investments toward the BRICS nations. He's no longer just an American icon, he's become a symbol of global ambition, forging partnerships in places once considered the periphery of tech and finance. This isn't just business, it's a response to a new geopolitical reality. The rules of engagement have changed, and Musk is adapting to a world where alliances are fluid and opportunity is everywhere. Musk's ventures, PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla, once thrived on the American ecosystem, but the game has changed. The innovation that once flowed from Silicon Valley now finds fertile ground in cities like Shanghai, Bengaluru, and São Paulo. The BRICS bloc, now expanded, commands over half the world's population and a massive share of economic output. These nations are no longer just emerging, they are leading, setting trends in technology, infrastructure, and commerce. For Musk, whose ambitions are global, ignoring this shift would be a historic mistake. He sees the writing on the wall. The future belongs to those who can adapt and build bridges across continents. The West's markets are saturated and politically fraught. BRICS offers untapped consumers, talent, and growth. In these dynamic economies, the hunger for innovation is matched only by the scale of opportunity. Musk's pivot isn't a rejection of his roots, but a recognition that the future won't be dictated by Washington alone. He's blending the best of American ingenuity with the momentum of the new global order. He's navigating a new chessboard, where China, India, and Brazil are setting the pace. Every move is strategic. Every partnership a step toward a more interconnected world. His journey is a case study in adapting to a world where power and opportunity are truly global. Musk's story is now intertwined with the aspirations of billions, from students in Africa to engineers in South America. The story of Musk's pivot is the story of a new era, one where technology, power, and commerce are being remade on a planetary scale. The American dream hasn't ended. It's simply gone global, and Musk is leading the way into this uncharted future. Tesla once led the electric vehicle revolution, but the rise of China's EV giants, especially BYD, has changed everything. In 2025, BYD sold 4.6 million vehicles, outpacing Tesla and expanding aggressively worldwide. Chinese brands now offer a range of EVs at prices Tesla struggles to match, eroding its global market share. China's edge comes from state support, battery innovation, and a hyper-competitive domestic market. Firms like KTL dominate the global battery supply chain, giving Chinese automakers a crucial advantage. The EV race is now a fierce global rivalry, not a one-horse show. For Musk, competing means more than building the best car. It's about adapting to a new, fast-moving landscape. The rise of China's EV industry is the main force behind Musk's global pivot. With Western markets saturated and Chinese competition fierce, Musk turned to India, the world's third-largest auto market. After years of negotiation, Tesla entered India in 2025, targeting affluent urban consumers with a luxury-first approach. This strategy aims to build brand mystique before moving to mass-market models, adapting to India's unique challenges. In China, Musk shifted from outsider to integrated partner, making the Shanghai Gigafactory central to Tesla's survival. He's learned to play by local rules, securing access to the world's largest EV market. Musk's moves in India, China, and beyond signal a broader strategy, planting flags in the markets that will define the 21st century. The future of growth lies in embracing new centers of power, not clinging to the old. Musk's pivot can't be understood without the rise of the BRICS bloc, now a powerful alliance representing over half the world's population. In just a few years, BRICS has transformed from a loose coalition into a formidable force on the world stage, uniting some of the fastest-growing economies and most dynamic societies. Together, these nations account for 40% of the global economy, and their influence is only growing. Their cities are now hubs of innovation, finance, and trade, challenging the dominance of traditional Western centers. BRICS is building an alternative to the Western-led order, pushing for de-dollarization and seeking to reduce their dependence on the US dollar in international trade. They're developing a new multi-currency trade system where transactions are increasingly settled in their own national currencies, not just the dollar or euro. This shift has real impact, reshaping how money moves, how deals are made, and who holds power in the global economy. For example, Chinese companies now pay taxes in yuan abroad, signaling a new era of financial independence for BRICS nations. The BRICS New Development Bank is funding major infrastructure projects in local currencies, supporting growth without relying on Western financial institutions. These steps are building a parallel economic system, increasingly independent of Washington's control and the traditional levers of Western finance. For global businesses like Musk's, this new landscape is both a challenge and a massive opportunity, requiring new strategies and partnerships. Companies must now navigate a world where emerging markets are setting the pace, and old rules no longer apply. The BRICS bloc offers access to billions of consumers, each with rising incomes and growing demand for new products and services. These countries are increasingly trading within their own ecosystem, strengthening ties and reducing reliance on external markets. For Musk, aligning with this new center of gravity is simple math, following the flow of growth, innovation, and opportunity. Companies that integrate into the BRICS system will have a major advantage, gaining early access to new markets and future-proofing their global strategies. Musk's pivot is a strategic bet on a world where power is more distributed, and where the rules of business are being rewritten. The future will be written in many languages, not just English, and those who adapt will shape the next era of global business. Washington's response to the rise of BRICS has been swift and uncompromising. Under Trump, the US has adopted a fiercely protectionist stance, wielding tariffs as its primary weapon in the global economic arena. The administration's message is clear: American interests come first, and any challenge to US dominance will be met with economic firepower. In 2025, Trump escalated the standoff by threatening a sweeping 10% tariff on all nations aligning with BRICS, sending shockwaves through international markets and intensifying economic tensions worldwide. The move signaled a new era of economic brinkmanship, with global supply chains and alliances suddenly thrown into uncertainty. For Tesla, this creates a complex minefield, caught between a fortress America, determined to protect its own, and the vast global markets it relies on for growth and innovation. Every decision now carries higher stakes, as the company must navigate shifting policies and unpredictable trade barriers. Musk's answer? Deep integration, making Tesla indispensable in China, turning the Shanghai Gigafactory into a local powerhouse that not only produces cars, but also anchors Tesla within the Chinese economy. By investing heavily in local talent and supply chains, Musk ensures Tesla's future in the world's largest auto market. By embedding his companies in local economies, Musk insulates them from political crossfire, creating a network of partnerships and operations that can weather policy storms. This strategy allows Tesla to adapt quickly, maintaining momentum even as global tensions rise. In Brazil, even amid tariff threats and shifting alliances, Musk keeps operations running smoothly, balancing business interests with political realities. His approach is to stay agile, adjusting supply chains, negotiating with local leaders, and ensuring Tesla remains a vital player in every market. His approach is pure pragmatism: adapt, embed, and build bridges where others see walls. Musk's vision is not just about surviving the new economic order, but about finding opportunity in adversity and forging connections that transcend borders. Musk isn't choosing sides. He's learning to thrive in a world of economic barriers, leveraging innovation and diplomacy to keep Tesla at the forefront of the global stage. The new game is about building doors and tunnels, not just walls, finding creative ways to connect, collaborate, and keep moving forward in an era defined by division. While Tesla grabs headlines, Starlink is quietly redrawing the map of global connectivity, expanding rapidly across the developing world. Governments welcome Starlink as critical infrastructure, but its expansion brings political friction. In Brazil, Musk's political stances led to legal clashes and frozen accounts, highlighting the risks of operating a global network. Rising competition from China's space sale, which adapts more readily to local demands, is intensifying the race. SpaceSail's willingness to comply with national rules gives it an edge where Starlink faces resistance. For many nations, choosing between Starlink and SpaceSail is a strategic decision about global alignment. Musk's confrontational style can clash with local sovereignty, opening doors for rivals. Starlink's future depends on balancing disruption with diplomatic pragmatism. Musk's global pivot is also a direct response to China's remarkable technological surge, especially in AI and semiconductors. China's state-driven push for tech self-sufficiency is rapidly reshaping the global innovation landscape in profound ways. Chinese AI firms and chip makers are now actively challenging Silicon Valley's dominance, both at home and abroad. Tesla's edge in autonomous driving is under threat from Chinese rivals with faster data access and relentless, rapid innovation. To stay ahead, Musk must be in China, selling, learning, and competing in its hyper-competitive, ever-evolving ecosystem. The new tech world is being co-authored in Shenzhen and Beijing, not just California anymore. Musk's strategy: collaborate where needed, compete where possible, and fiercely protect core IP. Navigating this bifurcated tech world is one of the decade's most defining business challenges. Musk's global pivot is a blueprint for thriving in a multipolar world. His moves are driven by pragmatism, going where growth and opportunity lie. Deepening ties with China, entering India, and engaging BRICS reflect a clear-eyed view of the new global order. By embedding his companies locally, Musk shields them from geopolitical shocks. He's both an American icon and a global operator, fluent in the language of multiple power centers. The challenges are immense: rivalries, political minefields, and shifting alliances. But Musk's willingness to adapt and engage sets him apart. His journey is a lesson. The future belongs to those bold enough to pivot toward new centers of power.